Grabing ekonomiya to. Turon 25 pesos. Pero nagugutom na talaga ako.
Teka, huwag kang sumuko sa inflation. Konting lakad na lang bago ka sumapit sa gate. Hanapin mo si Aling May. 10 pisong Shanghai. Marami pang laman.
Bayani ka ba?
Hindi. May alam lang. May libreng print doon sa office ng OSG. Alam mo ba, may libreng wifi dito. Bayan ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Wala. Sariling initiative lang. Puso-puso, kumbaga. Ay nako, itigil mo na yan. Mamamatay ka lang sa kakatulong sa ibang tao. Ano bang pakialam mo kung maubos ang pera nila?
In this economy, hindi ko talaga sila pwedeng pabayaan. Impormasyon na nga lang isang data natin eh. If I know the truth, kung wala akong sinasabi, edi the community fails. It is my social responsibility.
Okay.
Some people see economics as just numbers and graphs, but on this campus, it's survival. By applying economics, we see that communication isn't just talk. It's the distribution of wealth through knowledge. Social responsibility theory teaches us that if you have the truth, you have a duty to share it. Because when we empower others with the right information, the whole community prospers. And as long there is an overpriced Shanghai and hidden budget hacks, I'll be there. Because with great baon comes with great responsibility.